was nothing, it just comes to me. Move like energy, naturally. Everything I need is already in me. I don't move with fear, I don't move with doubt. What I feel inside. So we're following up on squaring the circle. As I mentioned earlier, in order to get this 36 number here, all we did was square the number 6, which is the difference between 51 degrees and 45 degrees. And then we began to focus on the square. And now we divided the square into equal parts, essentially creating what could be called an equation. What's on one side of the square can be done to the other side of the square. For example, we know that this is a 45-degree line, then this would also be a 45-degree line. And if we wanted to trace out a 51-degree line, we would simply trace out a line on the opposite side at 51 degrees. But what I really want to focus on here is that we're trying to extract some sort of message here. And in order to do that, we would focus on understanding why the number 36 would go in this position in the square. And like we were all taught in school, there's something called the times table. If we notice down here this little square, which marks that this here is a right angle, therefore making this a square, we can say that this individual square here represents the number 36. And then we can trace out all the other individual squares that belong in this box. So simply, we just do this. And we'd essentially have 36 individual squares here. Now, what we're looking at again, I said, is a times table. But we're also noticing that this square